What's going on?
Good morning. Or good evening. Somewhere in between 2:04 a.m. You look good. No mustache?
No mustache.
Why no mustache?
I cut the corner.
Oh, and it was bad.
Yeah, it was bad. I'll get on and say.
Do you have any goal of filming today? Yeah. No, I don't know. I was talking to Nigel. I was like, I don't know if you're how the emphasis you're gonna have on filming stuff today. I shaved to look pretty for you.
There you go. Very good.
It's good that the road is steep, so we're actually chipping away at vert. If it was this shitty and flat, I feel like we should just walk it.
Yeah.
Can we fucking get you ready to go up this motherfucker? Some last minute adjustments. That little nifty thing.
It's actually a little Cody Townsend trick right there.
Yeah. We have this edible coffee. They wouldn't stop advertising to me on Instagram. But this was advertised as edible. So they're just good at advertising.
Give it a rep.
Yeah, I think it's gonna happen though. It's like really, you want some?
Not really.
Should I bring it?
Yes.
Resounding yes. Can't say no to that. Okay, we're packing it. Got the wallet just in case. In the beacon pocket. Woo! Yeah. No better sound. This is what you live for, baby. Hike's been good so far. We've done a bit more boot packing than we expected, but we're making good progress. I think we're gonna hop on the right, get some dirt, and we're gonna transition shortly. Favorite part has been walking across the bridge. Yeah. Yep. Just because it was incredible with the headlamps, the bridge, and the stars up above.
Firing.
Interesting. We're still in shoes here. I was expecting to be skinning up this whole Johnson. No doubt. Weird. It doesn't really There's no right answer. You know, it's like we could be skinning right now. We could wait. Post holing sucks, but also not carrying like 4 pounds on your feet is good. I love that side is mountains, not really any sun. That side is like a hint of dawn. That side is ridge.
And I'll say it.
Snow.
Dawn's is still open.
Yeah, it is.
Alrighty.
And we're making progress here, fellas.
Yeah, we're moving.
Low key. Pre-transition. I mean, that might be better to skin, I don't know.
I'm just worried about not getting another good spot to do it.
My feet got wet on the climb up. Sliding around the corner of the boot just was not happening. But we're ready to go now.
Had an issue earlier when we were on we were at Steamboat and he was looking for a feature to triple cork on.
Okay.
And I think this might be the opportunity. Like we were scoping up this one really good looking lip. We'll have to analyze it going down, but I think it might go.
So there's totally a feature I can 100% triple cork if the snow conditions are right.
Yeah.
50-50 right now if it'll hold up, but I think I'm feeling it.
Yep.
We're at 13.7 right now. Quick pit stop for the final ascent. Feeling good. Had our skids on for the last little bit. Full A straps on. Kind of a little bit of crampon action. We're ready to get to the top and hit dead dog. Let's do it.
Come on, brother.
My first 14-footer.
Me too, brother.
Fuck yeah.
Let's go.
Of course we're gonna do a skis on.
No other way. Never had a choice.
Let's go! I'm smoked. I don't know what else to say. It was fun. I'm happy we did it. I've been wanting to do it for a while. Great group. Trying to think everything lined up about as perfect as it could have today. Like there's a few things in my mind where if they didn't happen, we probably it wouldn't have been safe to ski. I feel pretty good about it.
If you find my G3 ski crampon in the Grays Peak Basin, call me.